Hello friends, welcome to the new Tech Navigators. My name is PK. In this video, we will discuss how we can connect Microsoft Power BI with a web or website. So we have here a Wikipedia page wherein we have the information about the ranking and the country or region. Then here we have a number of cell phone. Here we have number of phone numbers and the population, then phone per 100 citizen, and this is date of evaluation. So we want to get this information inside the Power BI and we will do some transformation also. So let me show you quickly how we can do that. This is the untitled Power BI desktop application. We have opened blank file. Now let's go to the get data and here we will click on web. Again, I will go to the Wikipedia page. I will simply copy this URL from here and then I will paste this URL here in basic part. Click on OK. So it has loaded the information. We can see it is saying we have table 1, table 2 and we have some other suggested table also, but let's click on the table 1, then we will see the format. Okay. So we can see it is appearing properly and here we don't need this one, we need this table. So just check this and click on transform data. Now it will take you to the Power Query editor. Alright, so here we will do some transformation, that is we don't need this first row, we want only country's name. So this is for whole bird. We don't need this first row. So what we can do, we can just go to the home tab and we have here remove rows. Just click here and remove top rows. Just click on that. Now we can put here 1 because we want to remove top 1 row. Click on OK. You can see that 1 row is removed. Now if you see, we don't have the proper formatting. This is the text and this is the number. So this is correct, but for this one let's take the number here also, that is whole number. So it is showing some error, we will come to that part, but let me convert this one also to the decimal number. This is the phone numbers for per 100 citizens. We don't need this date column, so we can just right click and remove from here. Now let's see about the error. We have the error on these two columns, so we can see that, or you can see that on the runtime also we can see it is here. Okay, and this is just because it is saying we could not convert this into a number just because we have this 65 here. Okay, and same here also, this one. Okay, so what we can do, we can remove it, and we are assuming if tomorrow some other number will come with some other number, so we can remove that one also. So what I'm going to do here, I will just select this and I will remove this change type from here, and we will do this change type later on. Just select and go to the transform and split column and by delimiter. Here select the leftmost delimiter and we will select here custom. Let's put that square bracket here, click on OK. So it has created another column, this one. Now here we can see this has been converted to the number automatically, you can see, but we will just rename it. We don't need this one here. And we have another column wherein we have this information. You can see it has moved this 65 here. So what we can do, we just right click and remove this. Alright, now we will do the same thing with the phone numbers also, because we have one that text here, this one. Okay, so just right click and you can go to the split column, or you can go to the split column from here also. So let's go to the split column by delimiter and let's select here custom and put that here and just select the leftmost delimiter. So we have put the square bracket here, just click on OK. Similar to that, we have one new column, and this has been converted to the decimal number. So we don't need this dot 1 in the last. Just remove it, and we can remove this column. Alright, so now this is formatted, and these are the steps which we have applied. The first one was the source, so we have connected with the Wikipedia, then we extracted this table, and then we applied the other one also. Now we can go to the home and say close and apply. Before that, if you want to change the query name, it is table 1, you can change it as you want, like this is the phone numbers data. So let's say I'm putting here phone number data and just enter. Now you can say close and apply. So it is evaluating, and then it will load the data from the Wikipedia to the Power BI. Alright, so 76 rows are loaded. We can see here this table. You can go to the table view also to see the table. This data is coming from the Wikipedia. Now you can use this in your visualization. For example, I'm just taking a map here and make it bigger. I will load here country or region in the location. Then let's say I want to put in the bubble size, I will load the phone number data. So we can see the different bubble, and you can make it smaller, and let's copy and paste here also the same map, and we can show here phone per 100 people. So we can see that, and we can move to the bubbles, this one. So automatically it will take the sum of that. Alright, so we have created this information here. You can see if you want to change the bubble color, you can just go to the format and here go to the bubbles, and you can change the size also if you want. Just increase the size as much as you want. Let's keep it 0 only, and then you can go to the color. You can choose the color from here. So let's say I'm taking this color. Alright, so this is the sum of phone numbers by country or region, and this is the sum of phone numbers per 100 citizen by the country and region. So here we have connected with the Wikipedia. Alright friends, so friends, that is how we can connect and use it in the visualization. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.